Hello again everyone, Truck CB Sales here with a tune-up report for Michael in Massachusetts on this RCI-2970n2. Michael, got it ready to go for you, bud? We went in there and got everything straightened out from the previous owner, as well as got our tune alignment, clarifier mod, voltage regulator upgrade. We replaced all the finals in the amp section with the RF-2030 pluses, as well as put you a amp on off switch in the back, and we fixed your loose mic jack area here and your channel selector. It's good to go, man. We got the amp on, so let's just start off with the carrier all the way down. Got you about 4 watts all the way down, so you got full adjustability if you decide to run an amplifier. 40 watts all the way up. Now let me show you average power swing. Oh, it's 100 watts in the corner, so let's pull that out. 250 watt slug in here. I'll have to put the 500 watt here. 250 watt slug and average power top scale. Oh, okay, so we end up about 105, 110 bird average. 500 watt slug in PEP. Oh, 250 peak. Michael, it's ready to go for you, man. These UR-2030 pluses are very robust. You won't have any issues out of them. Oh, well, let's check one more thing here. FM, that's an upcoming thing. 250 watt slug. Let's see, get about 5 watts there. Roll it up, and you've got just a hair under 50 watts. Alright. Those of you watching, interested in FM, make sure you run your carrier levels no more than what you normally run. Your dead key when you run a 1:5 ratio. You know, if you got a radio or amp that swings 250 watts, please don't run it over a 50 watt carrier on FM. Keep a nice cool fan on it as well. Okay, that's it. I hope you enjoyed it. From your friend Truck at www.truckcbsales.com. Bomb buck.